What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Clancy from Brawl Stars. Let's begin today's lesson on the top center of the page with the bottom edge of the brow. And leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a straight angled line. Going up and then out towards the end. Let's line up the inside over on the right. Go up in the opposite direction. Now I want to round up the inside of the eyebrow. Start with the left. Coming all the way around and then back out. Draw another straight angle line going all the way up across the top of the eyebrow. And then round up the ends. Now I want to fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now with the eyebrows in place, we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw an oval. Coming all the way around towards the bottom of the eye. Round this out. And just tuck that in on the inside. Line this up on the right. Coming around towards the bottom of the eye. Go all the way up. And then tuck that in. Let's draw the lower eyelid. Starting on the left. Bend this up. And then down on the inside. And then we want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So let's start on the left. Draw a straight line going up. Go to the outside and draw another straight line. Let's round at the top. And then we'll fill the inside of the pupil. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Going up towards the same height. Round at the top. And then we'll fill those in. Let's place the mustache on top of the head. Underneath the left eye, we're going to step down, bend this down, go across the bottom edge of the eye, and then up. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to come down, across the edge of the eye, and then up. Let's round up the outside, pull this down towards the bottom. And I want to taper this so it gets narrower as we come back in. And I'll close off the inside with a curve. Let's add in the mouth. We'll start with the top, bend this down and up. Let's round up the side of the mouth, coming down towards the bottom. And we'll round out the bottom of the mouth, going back up towards the right. And then we'll separate the teeth with two straight angled lines, one on the left and then one on the right. Now I want to close out the head in between the eyes with a curve, going up and then down. Now, going down, we're going to draw the inside edge of the jacket. Let's start underneath the left mustache, draw a straight line coming down towards the collar. Let's add a curve, coming in and back out. And then we'll do that one more time, coming in and then down towards the bottom. Let's go back up to this point, draw the bottom edge of the collar, going out and then up. And then just round out the side going up underneath the mustache. Now I want to add those two sections across the bottom of the jacket. Let's start from the corner, round this out, and then pull that in. I just want to curve this down and then in towards the inside point. And do the same thing on the right. Let's do that one more time. From the bottom, round this out, and then come down. Round at the bottom and just pull that in. Now I want to close off the bottom of the shirt, but we're going to add a notch on the left side. So starting from this bottom corner, go up and then down like an upside down V. Bend this down and then back up towards the right. Now along the top and the center, we're going to draw that dog tag. Start with two straight lines going down. Let's close off the top with a curve and then the bottom. And then along the top, we'll add one small circle. Let's add in the chain on the left side, then it's out and then up. Step down, draw that again. Now along the chain, we're going to add two curves on either side. Let's tuck the body in underneath. We're going to start on the left side of the vest, curve this down in the middle, and then bend that back up. In the center, we're going to step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Just leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, and then do the same thing. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet. On the left side, come down and then up. Just flatten off the end of the foot. Now we're just going to trace that same curve coming in towards the heel. Let's go back to the outside of the foot. We're going to draw a toe cap with a half circle going up and then down. From the inside of the toe cap, draw a straight line coming in. And then inside the heel, we'll add a small circle. Let's add a small half circle on the top of the foot, going up and then back down. Now, going back up to the side of the body, we're going to step out. Just going to curve this down and then in. And we'll tuck the legs in behind. So we're going to step out, bend the leg going out, and then down on top of the shoe. Now I'm going to go back up to the top along the side of the body and draw the inside edge of the arm. Let's start out here, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist on both sides. And you want to overlap the gloves on top of the arm. So from here, step in, bend this up, and then out. From the outside of the glove, step in, bend the arm going up, and then in towards the top of the body. Now let's go back to the inside of the glove, angle this down and out towards the wrist. Add a small half circle for the thumb, and close off the end with a bracket. Let's go to the outside of the glove, angle this down and then in towards the outside of the wrist. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start underneath the thumb, come down and then up around that bracket. Then on the side, go out and then up. Add 1 more finger coming in toward the outside of the wrist. Now with the body in place, we're going to layer the tail in behind. Let's start from the hip, going out and then back in. Let's separate the end of the tail, starting from the top, bend this up and out in behind the hand, come down towards the bottom, bend this down and then out. Let's add a seam across the bottom edge, going in and up, come down and out, and then along that line we're going to add 2 X's, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Clancy from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.